Hi, I'm Holly Snyder, and this is my application to show you that I'm an exemplary educator. I've created this notebook that allows the students to review concepts that we've gone over the entire year to prepare them for the TAKS test. Each concept is linked to activities and games that will allow them to review those concepts. I'm going to highlight a few of the areas that I've done, and then the students will show you how we used it during class. Geometry has a magnifying glass that allows them to search for the shapes of triangles and the words, and then to drag them to the correct spot. I also have a geometry activity that allows them to roll a dice and a shape appears. The shape they then have to name and then tell me the number of the sides. I also have this activity for three-dimensional shapes as well. Going along with geometry, they also have to show me how to do a translation, a rotation, and a reflection. These stars at the bottom of the page allow them to go back to the main menu at any time that they need to. Once they've completed one concept, they are allowed to move on to different concepts. Now this is a kooshball game that the students love to play. They are allowed to pick their number, they come up, they throw the kooshball, they answer the question by working it out up here. Students at their desk are also working on dry erase boards. Once they're done, they can pull the pull tab to let them know if they've got the answer correct, and then hit the circle to go back to the beginning of the kooshball game. Once they've completed it, they're allowed to put the circle behind the box until they've completed all of the circles. When they're done again, they're allowed to go back to the main menu. This is a word problem, an acronym that the students use regularly with word problems. They have to tell me what each letter represents. Once they've written it out and we've talked about it, they can drag it over to see if they were correct. Words are important in word problems, so I want the students to be able to pull them out at any time. This vortex allows the students to drag the correct word to the correct vortex. If it's correct, it'll be absorbed into the vortex. If it is wrong, it'll spin it back out to where it began. These are just a few highlights of what I've created.